Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Fidelity's retirement planning tools. Alright, if you've been wondering how to use Fidelity's retirement planning tools, this video is going to show you the way. It's going to be a really quick one. We're not going to waste any time at all. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all and jump straight into the video. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is to log into your Fidelity account. You can log into your Fidelity account on the website, or you could choose to do so on the mobile app. Now, once you're logged into your Fidelity account, you're going to want to click on retirement, and then you're going to click on retirement planning. And there you can browse the retirement planning tools. You got a couple of tools. You got planners, calculators, and whatnot. So just use the tools to create a retirement plan for yourself. You can also manage your retirement planning documents here. Likewise, you can update your retirement plan as needed in the future. And also you can use the retirement planning tools to stay organized and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Fidelity's retirement planning tools. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.